Hi, I'm glad to see you again today.
Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be following a Bob Ross painting tutorial. But I'm going to be doing, as you can see, on my Vans. Just the tip part. And it's tiny edition since I have baby feet. And the one I'm doing is Mountain at Sunset, Season 12, Episode 10. Alright, so I went ahead and taped around the rim of the shoe so the paint doesn't get on the sole. I'm going to be watching the video here on my laptop. We're just going to go ahead and watch it.
I have my old canvas up here as usual, but I've covered it today with a thin, even coat of liquid clear.
I don't have the liquid white.
And let me say it again, liquid clear.
Liquid white. So I'm just going to be painting like normal white, and hopefully that will like do what it needs to do.
Let's make a nice little, like a little sunset back here, like so. And we'll just start and just drag a little color across like that. We've got so many letters. People are doing such fantastic painting right up above the yellow. And just begin laying that in. Because there was still yellow on the brush, we're going to get a nice orangey color. Beautiful little color. I'm just going to add a little bit of that same color down here into the water. Like that. Because now we've wiped most of the yellow out of the brush, so it'll look a little more into the reddish hue. I want it to be a little brighter right above that. We'll put some into the water. Just got to have some in the water.
My blue is so much darker than his. It's like dark blue.
I'm going to get another brush. I have several of each brush.
So I got my sky. It looks kind of bad, but we're going to be optimistic and hope once I add everything it'll look good. And there we have it. I think it turned out kind of good. The left side looks a lot more put together, but the right side, since it is so small, it kind of looks like a mess. But overall, I think it looks really good. If you haven't yet, like this video, subscribe if you haven't. And if you haven't turned on the notification bell, don't forget to be notified of new videos every Friday. Bye! I don't even know what the fuck I'm doing.